Okay, doors apart. So, easy to take off the door panel. This is the control unit. Pops off, not too hard. Okay, wiring harness. These are the hard connectors. So you have 3 white connectors, big ones, 1 little one that leads up into this area. Okay, and then I had to take this apart, pull 1 connector out this way, and pull the other 2 connectors out through this hole here. I don't see any frayed wires or anything on this side. I hope that it's okay. Anyhow, hopefully my issue is in the actual wiring harness. Popped off the speaker to be able to get to this and pull it out. Now we're just going to pull it through. And we're on our way.